Hello, young artists! Get ready for a fruity adventure today at Toddlers Art Hub. Can you guess what we're drawing? That's right, delicious fruits. Let's dive into the world of colors and flavors. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and a scale. Today, we're going to draw 6 fantastic fruits. Let's start by creating a canvas. Draw a big box with the help of your scale. Now, let's make our canvas even more exciting. Divide the box into 6 equal parts by adding 3 lines, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical.
Awesome!
Now, it's time to fill our canvas with mouth-watering fruits. In the first box, let's draw a juicy apple. Move on to the second box, and let's create a bunch of grapes. In the third box, let's sketch some delicious strawberries. Now, for the fourth box, let's draw a tempting cherry. In the fifth box, let's add a refreshing slice of watermelon. Finally, in the last box, let's draw a bunch of bananas. With our fruity friends all sketched out, it's time to add the vibrant colors. Let's start with the apple. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Move on to the grapes. Purple color. Green color. Orange color. For our luscious strawberries, red color. Yellow color. Bottle green color. Light green color. Now, let's make our cherry burst with color. Red color. Brown color. Green color. Yellow color. Dive into the watermelon slice. Red color. Light green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Last but not least, our bananas. Yellow color. Green color. Brown color. Blue color. And there you have it, little artists. Our fruity masterpiece is complete. I hope you enjoyed this colorful journey with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.